Welcome back, students. So again we'll continue in this session differentiation of composite functions by chain rule. So in last session where I had stopped, I'll continue from there. So again we are required to find dy by dx. So just we are studying the basics. If these basics are clear, it will be easy further for us to solve differentiation. So I will take first one. Y is equal to root of 3x square plus 5 divided by 1 minus 5x square. 3x square plus 5 divided by 1 minus 5x square. So first we are required to differentiate root, and then inside root you are required to apply u by v. So dy by dx will be equal to first differentiation of root 1 by 2 root of 3x square plus 5 divided by 1 minus 5x square of root I have differentiated. Then inside u by v is there, you are required to apply u by v. So denominator differentiation of numerator, 3x square differentiation is 6x, that of 5 is 0, minus numerator 3x square plus 5, differentiation of denominator, differentiation of denominator is minus 10x whole divided by denominator square, 1 minus 5x square bracket square, 1 minus 5x square bracket square. Clear, students? You can try second one. Y is equal to root of x plus root x divided by x minus root x. Root of x plus root x divided by x minus root x. So first you differentiate root, then again inside root you are required to apply u by v. So dy by dx will be equal to first differentiation of root. So 1 by 2 root of x plus root x divided by x minus root x into, now apply u by v. U by v you are required to apply. So denominator x minus root x, differentiation of numerator, differentiation of x is 1 plus root x is 1 by 2 root x, minus numerator x plus root x, differentiation of denominator. Differentiation of denominator is 1 minus 1 by 2 root x, 1 minus 1 by 2 root x whole divided by denominator square. So denominator is x minus root x bracket square. X minus root x bracket square. Clear, students? Now I'll change a little bit. So I will write it in this form. So you can say y is equal to root of 2x plus 3 whole divided by root of 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. So now difference between last problem and this problem is, there first we were differentiating root and then we are applying u by v. Now here first you are required to apply u by v. In numerator root is there, divided by in denominator root is there. So if I differentiate dy by dx is equal to, you are required to apply u by v. So denominator root of 3x plus 2 into differentiation of numerator. So while differentiating numerator, first differentiate root 1 by 2 root of 2x plus 3 into term inside the root. So differentiation of 2x is 2, that of 3 is 0. So into 2. Clear, students? This is the differentiation of numerator. So 1 by 2 root of 2x plus 3 into term inside the root. If I differentiate, I will get 2. Minus numerator, minus root of 2x plus 3 into differentiation of denominator. So again, while differentiating denominator, first you differentiate root and then the term inside the root. So differentiation of root will be 1 by 2 root of 3x plus 2 into term inside the root. So differentiation of 3x plus 2 will be 3 into 3. Bracket complete. So whole divided by denominator square. So whole divided by denominator square. So square of this will be, root gets cancelled. You will have 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. So root of 3x plus 2 bracket square means root gets cancelled. So similarly, next, y is equal to root of 1 minus x square divided by root of x cube minus x. Root of x cube minus x. So root of 1 minus x square divided by root of x cube minus x. So dy by dx. Again, first you are required to apply u by v. So dy by dx is equal to. So first denominator, root of x cube minus x into differentiation of numerator. So again, while differentiating numerator, first apply or differentiate root. So you'll have 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x square into differentiation of term inside the root. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of minus x square is minus 2x. Minus 2x. So 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x square into minus 2x. Minus numerator root of 1 minus x square. Differentiation of denominator. So again, while differentiating denominator, first you differentiate root and then the term inside the root. So differentiation of denominator, 1 by 2 root of x cube minus x into differentiation of term inside the root, 3x square minus 1. So into 3x square minus 1 whole divided by denominator square. So whole divided by denominator square. So again, if you square this, x cube minus x remains, square root gets cancelled. So you'll have x cube minus x. Clear, students? Next you can try y is equal to root of 1 plus sin x whole divided by root of 1 minus sin x. Root of 1 plus sin x whole divided by root of 1 minus sin x. So first again you apply u by v. So dy by dx is equal to. Dy by dx is equal to. So first denominator, root of 1 minus sin x. Differentiation of numerator. So again, while differentiating numerator, first you are required to differentiate root. So you'll have 1 by 2 root of 1 plus sin x. So differentiation of root is over. Then differentiation of term inside the root. So differentiation of 1 is 0, that of sin x will be cos x into cos x. This is the differentiation of numerator. Minus numerator. So minus root of 1 plus sin x into differentiation of denominator. So if you differentiate denominator, first again you are required to differentiate root. So 1 by 2 root of 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x into. So differentiation of root is over. Now inside root 1, differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of minus sin x is minus cos x. So minus cos x whole divided by denominator square. Whole divided by denominator square. So again if you square this, root gets cancelled. So you'll have 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x. Clear, students? Okay. Now again I will change. So we have seen that in the first session of differentiation, differentiation of 1 by x raised to n is, differentiation of 1 by x raised to n is minus n by x raised to n plus 1. Differentiation of 1 by x raised to n is minus n by x raised to n plus 1. So I will be using this formula to differentiate now the next terms. So if I take y is equal to 1 divided by 3x square plus 2 bracket raised to 5. 3x square plus 2 bracket raised to 5. So one method is you can apply u by v, as now we have differentiated similarly. So if I take first method, you apply u by v, dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx is equal to denominator 3x square plus 2 bracket raised to 5, differentiation of numerator, differentiation of 1 is 0, minus numerator is 1, differentiation of denominator. Now while differentiating denominator, first you are required to differentiate power, that is 5. So into 5, 3x square plus 2 bracket raised to 4 into, by chain rule differentiation of this bracket, 5 bracket raised to 4 into differentiation of this bracket. So if I differentiate this bracket, it will be 6x into 6x whole divided by denominator square. So 3x square plus 2 bracket raised to 10. Bracket raised to 10. Now if you simplify over here, this whole term is 0. So this gets cancelled. Here bracket raised to 4 is there, here bracket raised to 10 is there. So if you cancel, bracket raised to 6 remains. So I can write it as minus 5, 3x square plus 2 bracket raised to 6 into 6x. Clear, students? So minus 1 into 5 is 5. Bracket raised to 4, bracket raised to 10 gets cancelled, 6 remains. So bracket raised to 6 into 6x. So again, if you want, you can multiply this. So this is one method. Now, instead of doing in this way, if I use formula of 1 by x raised to n. So now I can treat this as 1 by x raised to n. X means this whole bracket. So differentiation of 1 by x raised to n is minus n by x raised to n plus 1. So dy by dx will be equal to minus n minus 5 bracket raised to 6, 3x square plus 2 bracket raised to 6, minus 5 by bracket raised to 6. Again by chain rule, differentiation of this bracket. So by chain rule, if I differentiate this bracket, you will have 6x plus 0. So into, you will have 6x. So if you observe, both answers are same. So compared to this method will be easy to solve. So if I take few more problems on this, so better you use the second method. So if I take y is equal to 1 by 1 plus cos x bracket raised to 4. 1 by 1 plus cos x bracket raised to 4. Can you tell me, students? So now apply formula 1 by x raised to n. So dy by dx is equal to so 1 by x raised to n will be minus n by x raised to n plus 1. 1 plus cos x bracket raised to 5 into, again by chain rule you differentiate this bracket. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Clear? Similarly, y is equal to 1 by 1 plus e raised to x bracket cube. 1 by 1 plus e raised to x bracket cube. Can you tell me the answer? Dy by dx will be equal to, yes, minus 3 by bracket raised to 4 into differentiation of bracket. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. Clear, students? Similarly, y is equal to 1 by ax square plus bx plus c bracket raised to 7. Bracket raised to 7. You will have dy by dx is equal to minus 7 by bracket raised to 8 bracket raised to 8 into differentiation of this bracket. Differentiation of this bracket will be 2ax plus b. 2ax plus b. Clear, students? So similarly you can try this one. 1 by e raised to x into log x. 1 by e raised to x into log x. So you can even use first method, that is you can apply u by v, or you can use second method, that is 1 by x raised to n. 1 by x raised to n. So here this whole term I will write it in a bracket, power 1 I can take. So 1 by e raised to x log x he has given. You can think it as 1 by x, or this whole bracket you can think it as x. So if you differentiate now, dy by dx is equal to, differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, or 1 by x raised to 1 n formula you apply, minus 1 by e raised to x into log x bracket square into differentiation of bracket. Now here, while differentiating bracket you are required to apply u into v, because multiplication is there and both are different terms. So you are required to apply u into v. E raised to x as it is, differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log x as it is, differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x bracket complete. Clear, students? Okay, again we will go for the next type. Y is equal to root of 2x square plus 3 bracket cube. 2x square plus 3 bracket cube. So now if you see here, first you are required to differentiate root, then differentiate power, then bracket. So by chain rule, first differentiation of root. So if you differentiate this root, you will have 1 by 2 root 2x square plus 3 bracket cube. So differentiation of root is over. So now you have differentiated this root. Now you differentiate this power. Bracket raised to 3. So you will have 3 bracket square. 3 into bracket square. So differentiation of power is over. Now differentiate this bracket. So differentiation of this bracket will be into 4x. Into 4x. Clear, students? Similarly, try this one. Y is equal to root of e raised to x plus a raised to x bracket raised to 5. E raised to x plus a raised to x bracket raised to 5. So first you are required to differentiate root, then power 5, then bracket. So first dy by dx is equal to, first you differentiate this root. So differentiation of root will be 1 by 2 root of e raised to x plus a raised to x bracket raised to 5. So differentiation of root is over. So this differentiation of root we completed. Now differentiation of power 5. So 5 bracket raised to 4. Bracket raised to 4. So differentiation of this power is over. Now differentiate this bracket. So differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. Differentiation of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a bracket complete. Clear, students? So you can try another one. Y is equal to root of x plus root x bracket raised to 7. X plus root x bracket raised to 7. So first you differentiate, very good, root, then differentiation of power 7, then bracket. So dy by dx will be first differentiation of this root. So you will have 1 by 2 root of x plus root x bracket raised to 7. Differentiation of root is over. Now differentiate power, that is 7. So 7 bracket raised to 6. 7 bracket raised to 6. Differentiation of 7 is over. Now differentiate this bracket. So differentiation of x is 1, of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Clear, students? Okay. Now I will change a little bit over here. So I will take it as y is equal to bracket root of x plus root x whole bracket raised to 7. Whole bracket raised to 7. So now here first you are required to differentiate power, then root, then the term inside the root. So what you will be having, dy by dx is equal to first 7. Here 7 was inside, so first root we had differentiated. So 7 bracket raised to 6. Bracket raised to 6. Clear, students? First 7 I have differentiated. So this root you may cancel, but just we are practicing the formulas, or you can say basic examples. So differentiation of 7 I have completed. Now you differentiate this root. So differentiation of root will be 1 by 2 root of x plus root x. So differentiation of this root is over. Now differentiate term inside this root into. So inside root x, differentiation of x is 1, of root x is 1 by 2 root x bracket complete. 2 root x. Clear, students? The difference between these two. Similarly, you try y is equal to bracket root of sin x plus cos x whole bracket cube. Whole bracket cube. So first you are required to differentiate 3, then root, then the term inside the root. Then the term inside the root. So dy by dx is equal to first that of 3. 3 bracket square. 3 bracket square. So differentiation of 3 is over. Now differentiate this root. So differentiation of root will be 1 by 2 root of sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x. So root is over. Now term inside the root. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. And that of cos x is minus sin x bracket complete. Clear, students? So you can solve on your own few more problems which I will be writing over here. So y is equal to bracket root of e raised to x plus a raised to x whole bracket raised to 7. Y is equal to bracket root of 1 plus log x bracket cube. Third, y is equal to root of 1 plus tan x bracket cube. 1 plus tan x bracket cube. So similarly, y is equal to root of e raised to x log x bracket raised to 5. You can try on your own these problems. Again in next session, we will continue with few more examples. Thank you.